Welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today, we are going to draw and color Mickey Mouse with yummy cotton candy. Let's start drawing. At first, I am going to draw Mickey's eyes. Then his nose. And his big smiling mouth with his tongue sticking out. Then the shape of his face. And his head with his two big round ears. Now I start to draw his body. And his one hand in which he is going to hold his cotton candy. Let's draw his fingers around the cone. And now the cotton candy itself. Don't forget to finish his ear. I draw his other arm and his body. Then his legs. Finally, his big shoes. I draw his long tail and his trousers with two buttons. Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. At first, I'm going to use a light red for his tongue, then this light cream color for his face. Let's color his trousers with this nice red marker. For his shoes, I'm going to use this vivid yellow marker. Oh, it started to run out. Don't worry, here's another yellow I have. Great! For the cone, I'm going to use this light brown. And I use fuchsia for the yummy cotton candy. Great job! Yippee! Mickey can't wait to taste the yummy cotton candy. If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel.